Hello everyone, in this video, I will introduce you to the SmartLinkEx function for Smartsheet with the automation service phase. The SmartLinkEx tool provides the following benefits. Automatically update data from a source Excel, CSV, or Google Sheet file to the destination sheets. Options allow overwriting existing data in the destination sheets and adding new data rows to the destination sheets. In the next demo section, I will further clarify these features of SmartNet. In the end, we will have a customer list sheet that includes columns for information, customer ID, company name, customer name, phone number, email, address, status, and registration date. And we want to update data from an Excel file also named customer list, which includes corresponding information columns, where the customer ID column or this customer ID column is the main key column for SmartLinkEx to use for data updating. And this Excel file is attached within the customer list sheet, so that every time we update the latest version of the Excel file, that information is also updated into the customer list sheet. Let's do an example. In the Excel file, I will add rows 11 and 12. We will save it. Here, we will update to the latest version of the Excel file. We expect that rows 11 and 12 will appear in the customer list sheet. As you can see, rows 11 and 12 have been added to the customer list sheet. Let's move on to another example. I will change one cell. I will delete again. Here we will. Save it. I will update to the latest version. And we expect that the changes in the Excel file will also be updated in the customer list sheet. As you can see, the changes in the Excel file have been updated here. In the demo above, I used the GATted automation service. We provide the SmartLinkEx service on the GATted automation service platform. In this version, I have pre-declared a task named SmartDNS with custom malice. Let's go into the details of this task. As you can see in the sort section, which is the source section, I use this custom list sheet as the source sheet, and the attached file is also an Excel file named custom list, along with predefined columns used for reference. In the target section, the destination, I also use the custom list sheet as the destination sheet with corresponding information columns. Here, the columns in the source and destination sections have a BIM 1.1 mapping relationship, and this customer ID column is the main reference column that SmartDNS uses for data updates. In the target section, which is the destination section, we can use one or more sheets as the destination sheet, so that whenever there is a change in the source sheet, the information in the destination sheet will also change accordingly. Let's go to the options section up here. In the section after time, we have options for sheet attachment including Excel file, CSV file, Google Sheet file. With overriding existing data, which means to overwrite existing data, we also have the option of yes or no, add new rows, meaning adding new rows is also yes or no. Apply soft color filter, which is the function to identify which source data rows will be updated in the destination sheet. And on W Castle Road, for duplicate source data, we have options like Big First Mark, which means selecting the first suitable result, Big Last Mark for selecting the last suitable result, and Skip Duplicate Grounds, which means skipping any duplicate rows. And finally, the option Run Task After Sale, which means this tab will run after it has been saved. Thank you for watching the presentation. If you have any questions or need advice, please feel free to contact us using the information below. We offer Smartsheet products and WeSmart WeCream solutions, which help digitize and automate processes within your organization.